Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode on your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable game mode. We can use an application or we can use control or these headphones. Let's get started by use the application. Open EDIFIER CONNECT app, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. Right here at the third line we have game mode, you just enter here, and right here near to it we need to tap at the slider. If the slider have empty background, we just enable it. Now to disable it we need to also tap one time at this slider. But as I said previous, we can use also control. So we need to use Bluetooth button, what located at the right ear cup, right here, near to the USB-C port and volume down button. And by default, you need to press 2 times at this Bluetooth button. 1, 2. And as you can see, I just enable it with the control. Now let's disable it. 1, 2. Here we go. And also, we can customize this control. So go back, and from the main menu go to the settings and to control settings. So you can set it to single press. You need to scroll down and right here select game mode. And now let's check it with the single press. Does it work? So I press 1 time and I press to disable it. It works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!